keyboard shortcuts. In the web app, you can navigate using only your keyboard. When you're in the description field, you can start a timer by pressing the down arrow on your keyboard, and then selecting one of the most recent activities. Or you can start typing and get a suggestion based on previously tracked activities. If the keyword is found in either description, project, client, task, or tag, you'll see it. If it's a new activity, you can type what you're working on, hit Tab, search for the project, and press down to select a project. Expand the task list by pressing right, select with Enter, and tab your way to the next field. You can start the timer by pressing Escape to deselect any currently active field, and then press N to start the timer. To stop the timer, press S. To continue the latest entry, press C. You can also switch to manual mode by pressing M. When you're in manual mode and you're in the start, end, date, or duration field, you can press up and down to increment time. You can also enter the duration in a variety of formats. For example, you can enter 1 or 1M, or 1H or 1.5, and so on. Navigating the project list if you have hundreds of projects and tasks can make finding the right one difficult. One solution is to use favorites. Next to each project is a star. When you click on it, that project will be added to your favorites, and it will always appear on top. Another solution is to search for the project by typing the project's name or the client it belongs to. If you're using tasks a lot, be sure to turn on the task filter in workspace settings. Then when you type something, Clockify will filter by tasks instead of projects. You can still filter by project, only you'll need to use the @ prefix like this. Everything you type before the @ character will be filtered by task, and everything after will be filtered by project and client. You can resize the project list by dragging the corner in case you can't see enough. Or you can open a list in a new window by clicking on the expand icon in the right corner. Now you have much more space to find what you're looking for. If you're tracking time and need a new project, you can create a new one quickly. Just open the list, type the name of the new project, and create it using your mouse or keyboard. You can also create clients and tags the same way. Just open the list, type a new name, and create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.